Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is a very exciting day. Today I'm gonna be working on a customer's car. Well, I will actually be rebuilding this truck, and it's Alex Rebuilds truck. Let's go outside. We're gonna check it out, and I'll tell you what everything I'm gonna do to this truck. Also, guys, at the end of this video I'll be doing a merch giveaway, so be sure you stay tuned and you see how to enter this giveaway. Alrighty, guys, here it is. He got a 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat. This thing is a really nice addition. The inside looks really nice. As you guys see, all the airbags, everything are blown. So the deal with this truck is I will be rebuilding this truck pretty much completely, and I'm gonna show you guys the damage here in a second. This thing overall looks pretty good on that side, and then moving on to this side, bam, right there. Look at that. So the story of this truck is when he was bidding on this truck, he gave me a call and he was like, hey, you think you could fix this? I was like, sure, of course I can. It doesn't look that bad. And so he got the truck and he brought it in, and it turns out it's aluminum. I totally forgot that the F-150s, the newer body style, it has aluminum body, aluminum doors, everything aluminum. So we came to a conclusion that we'll just probably swap the whole cab. That's gonna be a pretty fun project. We're gonna swap the whole cab, swap both of these doors, and of course interior, whatever. But to swap the whole cab, I don't know if you guys know or not, basically this interior has to be gutted out. Everything, literally everything, all the wires, all the seats, the dash, everything. Now guys, this is just a rough walkthrough. I'm not gonna tell you every detail of what I'm gonna do, but I'll be taking off the bed, and to take this cab off, it requires a good bit of work. The front end will be disassembled. Let me open the hood here. But one good thing, the motor will stay on the truck. The frame of this truck is straight. There is no frame damage on here. The only damage done to this truck was right here. The actual body is hit pretty good, that the whole floor kind of moved. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've never worked with aluminum yet. I've never even welded aluminum yet. I've been doing this for about 7 years, give or take. And I mean, I called some other frame guys here in town, and they told me just stay away from aluminum stuff. I mean, that stuff is hard to work with. So that's why I told Alex, I'm like, hey, why don't we just replace the whole cab? I mean, it is a lot of work, but my hands are itching to do a lot of work, you know, especially seeing what he's doing with the Viper is just, it motivates me to do something like this. So this is pretty much gonna be, I will mostly be building it. He's gonna help me here and there once in a while when I need help, but most of it I will be doing. So yeah, be sure you subscribe and be sure you stay tuned for this. This is gonna be a very fun project, and I am pretty sure it's gonna take a good while to get it done, but I really need your guys' support. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and bring it inside the shop and maybe start disassembling a couple things here and there. Alright guys, so quick change of plans. Before I get the truck in here, I think Alex got most of the parts already. So we're gonna go and hook up the trailer to my Tundra, and we're gonna go to the junkyard and see what kind of parts they got for us. All right, guys, so here's the cab. It's a black cab right here. This thing is mint condition. Hey, man, what are you doing in there?
Oh, man, you guys are here for the parts already?
Yeah, we're here, man.
Oh, yeah, hey, what's going on?
You got it ready for us?
Yeah, these are ready. I'll just adjust the mirror inside. Make sure it was,
This is, by the way, guys, this is Serge with Auto Rehab. Check him out on YouTube. He's got some pretty cool builds. All right, so now I'm gonna pull around back and they're gonna load me up and we're gonna strap this baby up and we should be heading back to the shop. By the way, if you guys remember, that's Alex Rebuilds Hellcat. Auto Rehab bought it from him. Check him out on YouTube. All right, guys, it's all strapped up. It looks perfect. Here's the front. This looks perfect, and here's this side. Walk you guys again through it. It looks pretty good. There's a little ding right here, but I think that should be no problem. But other than that, this thing is in pretty mint condition. All right, guys, so I pulled the truck inside and look at Lucy. She's already ready to ride. Look at that. Lucy, you want to go for a ride? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably take down the doors, this door and this one. For some reason, this one doesn't want to open. I mean, it's actually common sense that it's probably pinched down there. So I will try to get it open and take it off of the hinges, and then we'll just go from there. Alrighty guys, the doors are off, even though they were aluminum, but they were actually pretty heavy. So here's the damage, what it looks like with the doors off. Over here, all this aluminum stuff is cracked. There's damage right here, right here. I mean, there's damage pretty much everywhere. So I think the smartest thing to do here is just to replace the cab. It is a good bit of work, but I will know 100% that everything is OEM. There, you know, nothing is bent or anything like that. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for today. So be sure you stay tuned for the next video. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I actually got a good bit of stuff done today. We picked up the parts. Everything is here, so I can probably go ahead and start disassembling the interior in the next video. But going on to the giveaway, to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is to be subscribed and also follow me on Instagram, and you have to comment done down below in the comment section. And you can get yourself one of these hoodies with my logo in the front and the YouTube logo in the back. So whoever's gonna be the winner, you will have a choice either to choose a hoodie or a long sleeve shirt or just a regular t-shirt. I will announce the winner in the next video. But you have to make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and you have to make sure that you comment down below done. So I'm gonna wrap it up for today. If you guys like my channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at Rebuild with Nick. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.